Vice President Dr. Constantine Chiwenga attended the St. Kilian's Mission Centenary celebrations in Lusaka on Saturday, arriving at a time when political uncertainty and growing divisions continue to dominate Zimbabwe's national discourse. Celebrating Mashkublan watches General Chiwenga 6 Church Solace amid deepening political tension. 12 subscribe or like on the bell icon. TV now more blind functions. Chiwenga was received by Deputy President of the Senate Lieutenant General, retired Mike Nyambuya, Zambia Political Member Party CHAMISA Medical and Permanent Secretary for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Abiot Maronge, alongside senior government officials, ruling party leaders, and the Roman Catholic Church representatives. His appearance at the church event comes as political temperatures remain high following the enactment of Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3, legislation that has attracted widespread criticism from opposition parties, constitutional experts, and civil society organizations. Critics argue that the constitutional changes represent another step towards consolidating executive authority and weakening constitutional safeguards. The legislation has become a major source of political friction, with opponents accusing the mnangagwa administration of placing political interests ahead of democratic governance and accountability. Chapter 3 includes provisions that could allow President Emmerson Mnangagwa to remain in office beyond the current constitutional framework, a move that has intensified debate over Zimbabwe's democratic future. The amendment is further fueled concerns about political succession within ZANU-PF, the tension reportedly continuing to simmer as competing functions position themselves for influence. Against this backdrop, Chiwenga's attendance at the church celebrations has drawn attention as the country's political landscape remains increasingly polarized, with growing public scrutiny over the direction of the ruling party and the future of constitutional governance. Toma developments are kudapangwa ine. Comment section medu zofungura enyi moto kulipa msoro page. Subscribe or like, continue on the bell icon.